I want your touch in every way. I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to the market. It's in the morning. It's around 9. Yeah, we wanted to wake up early and go, but then something happened with my phone and I just had to sort it out first before going to the market. So we are heading over to take a matatu to Marikiti because that is where we are going to do our grocery shopping. So join us there. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video because after shopping I'll show you what we bought and then we will go ahead and organize as we restock our fridge. So like, share and leave a comment down below and kindly do not skip the ads, guys. So we're already in the market and so we'll be buying most of our groceries here and we'll be buying them per kg because we think that is the cheaper that is what is cheaper than buying them per piece. Yeah, so it's better to buy them per kg and I will let you know the prices that we bought each item at when we get home.
I can't give it up. Just to feel oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, yeah. We be my ride or die. Every day, I want your touch in every way. I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, yeah. We be my ride or die.
We are now done with the shopping and we are in a matatu heading back home. So I'll catch you later, guys.
I can't give it up. Just to feel
When we arrived, I had to take a shower because I had, I was exhausted and I had sweat. I had a lot of sweat, so I needed to take a shower before doing something else. So here, I want to clean my fridge and I'm using warm water plus vinegar. I've removed everything that was inside first and then switched it off. Yeah, so I'm using vinegar plus warm water, and then after washing with the vinegar, I will go in with the warm water only without vinegar, just to remove the smell of vinegar from the fridge.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there.
So in this video, I'm just going to deal with the bottom part of the fridge, which is actually the fridge, and the top part is the freezer. So I have not batch cooked for the month yet. I need to cook my cereals as usual and some meat, yeah, and gidheris, yeah, all that I do. If you watch my videos, you know that I always batch cook my cereals, and at times beef and maybe chicken when I can afford. So I'm going just to be restocking the lower part, which is the fridge, and then the upper part we can do it later on, yeah, or I'll do it just later on by myself without involving you guys. So yeah, so today let's do the bottom part.
Like a fever taking over, it's burning. You're so stuck in your head, think I'm leaving. In your mind.
So you can see my freezer doesn't have a lot. It just has some ice creams and some few cereals and some meat, yeah, just a few containers of food, yeah. So that will be tackled another day.
Follow you and I side by side, dancing in your halo.
So right now, I'm just cleaning up some containers that were in the fridge, but majority of those containers were cleaned just the other day. Yeah, they had already been cleaned, but so I'm just ensuring that the rest are clean before returning in the fridge.
And I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide. We can make it on our own. Go along for the ride to the stars, just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
So guys, we came from shopping, and then we rested for some while. I took a shower, and so I finished washing my fridge right now. I didn't do a deep cleaning because it was clean, so I just wiped it off the dust, just major cleaning. Yeah, so I want to show you the things that we got from the market. Yeah, and I'm not sure if I will be remembering the prices, but I will let you know if I remember the prices, I will let you know. So we can start from here. So we got passion fruits. Some of them are actually they zimebondwa, zimebondwa, but they are okay. So we ate some of them, but these are okay. And we also got some minjis. Actually, minjis are very expensive. These are 200 Kenya shillings. Yeah, these are 200 Kenya shillings. The passion fruits were, I can't remember. Yeah. So I also got these 3 onions. This was a half kg for I think 50 Kenya shillings. Yes, a half kg. And so I also got green beans. Yeah, green beans means beans that are not dried up. Yeah, this is how they look like. They are in their pods. Yeah, these things we used to eat them a lot when we were growing up. Yeah, my grandma used to pluck them from the shamba, and we just remove the pods and we boil them. Yeah, so that is how they look like. So I got, I think, a kg. Yeah, I got a kg and a half. This is 1.5 kgs. So I also got these danias, all these danias for 50 Kenya shillings, guys. Yeah, there are so many. I also got these lemons, and this is a kg for 70 Kenya shillings. So we also got this okra for 100 shillings. Yeah. So we got these carrots. This was a 2 kg bucket of carrots, and these were 150 Kenya shillings. I feel that the price is high. So we wanted some, what are these? Pili pili. Yeah, we wanted some pepper, but they couldn't give us a few quantity for 20 bob. So we got all these for 50 Kenya shillings, guys. This was a half kg. Yeah, 50 Kenya shillings. So I also got two big cabbages, and these were 60 Kenya shillings per one cabbage. So I got 2. And I also got some cassavas, and these were 3 pieces. Actually, these are 3 pieces at 200 Kenya shillings, and I feel that this price was fair. Yeah, it was a very fair price. So because we couldn't carry a lot of things, we didn't buy things like arrowroots, nduma, and we didn't buy ngwashe, that is sweet potatoes, and we didn't buy Irish potatoes because we couldn't carry those things. Are very heavy. We'll be buying them at our nearest market. Yeah, just around here we have a very good market by the roadside. So we also got some avocados. Yes, so avocados are back in stock, guys. Not in stock, they are back in the market, and I'm telling you, we'll be feasting on avocados like daily because this is one of my favorite fruit, guys. Yeah, I really love avocados in my food. So I got just 5 pieces. Yeah, 5 pieces for 10 shillings each. Yeah, guys, 10 shillings each. So we got 5 pieces of this. And we also got some, these are oranges, or they are what? Pixies. Pixies. So we also got these at 120. Imagine 120. I don't think that is fair. And another thing that we got, there were plenty in the market, were these mangoes, and the mangoes are 20 shillings each, guys. I wanted to carry like a whole sack, but unfortunately I'm not that strong. Yeah, so I just got for 200 Kenya shillings. So I also got some broccolis. Yeah, I want to start feeding my pickins on this broccoli. So I got these pieces, and these were, how much were they? This was a kg, I think, a kg. Yeah, I can't remember, but I think 120 or 100 Kenya shillings. And I also got some minji, French beans. Yeah, this was also a kg at 80 Kenya shillings, if I'm not wrong. Oh, another thing that I got were these garden eggs. Yeah, if you have been following me, you saw me buy garden eggs. I always buy them from Marikiti. So from around we don't have. So whenever I go to Marikiti, I get some for myself. So I got this garden eggs, half kg. Yeah, I think it was half kg at 50 Kenya shillings. And I also got some eggplants. These were a kg, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, they are also not expensive. I think they were 60 or 80 Kenya shillings there. Yeah. So these are very good vegetables. They are very healthy. And I also got this garlic. Yeah, this garlic was a kg at 70. So we got a half kg, I think. Yeah, we got a half kg. And we also got some onions, yeah, red onions for these were 100 Kenya shillings a kg also. So I also got this ginger. Yeah, guys, this is a lot of ginger. So I'll be taking a lot of ginger water in this house. Yeah. So this was 100 Kenya shillings for this 1 kg. This is a kg of ginger, guys. So here I have red pepper, I have yellow pepper, I have green pepper, and I have some tomatoes. So for the red and yellow pepper, they are usually very expensive, and you can't believe that 4 pieces were a full kg or a half kg for 100. Yeah, 4 pieces at 100, and I think that is too expensive. Yeah, but these were fair enough. They were 70 Kenya shillings a kg. Yeah, and the tomatoes, I didn't like them because I would have bought them around our place because they are much cheaper. And so I got 3 kgs for 240. So that is a kg at 80 Kenya shillings, guys. But no worries, I'll be adding more from our area because these ones won't be enough. So I also have some watermelon here. I had bought yesterday a full watermelon at 280 Kenya shillings. They sell 40 Kenya shillings per kg. Yeah, there is a depot for watermelons near where I stay. In my area, I have so many depots. I have fish depot, I have watermelon depot. Next, I think I will be finding some onion depot, who knows. Yeah, so they've eaten a half already, so I'm left with that half. So this is all we got. So I just want to wash them, and then we'll organize them in the fridge so that they don't get spoiled. So yeah, before we make dinner. So yeah.
And your halo.
So let's get started with washing these vegetables. Yeah, most of them I'm just going to use vinegar in the water, and some of them, like tomatoes, I'm just going to wash them with soap. Yeah, because I just want to remove all the dirt. Yeah, because tomatoes, we cut them using we don't peel, and yeah, so, and fruits, some mangoes, I eat mangoes with the outer cover, so I don't peel my mangoes. So I'll also wash them with soap. Yeah, so let's start the cleaning, and then we get to organize everything.
Dancing in your halo. promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo. It's burning. You're so stuck in your head, think I'm leaving. In your mind I know that you're hurting, that I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo. When forever finally ends, all the promises are broken. No more fights to pick up the pieces. I left you with the parts of me I don't wanna see you again. Don't wanna write any more of our story, 'cause I know how it ends. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night.
So guys, I've just washed everything, and yeah, everything is ready to be packed. As you can see, all the veggies and fruits are ready. The cabbages are already sliced. They are ready to be packed. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and pack. Yeah, so these are the cassavas. I've just removed the outer cover and sliced them into two. I want to store them so that we can be having them for breakfast. Yeah.
You have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. Sleep.
I'm lucky today. I had just bought some Ziploc bags. Of course, when I went to Marikiti, I passed by Kamkunji because I had a client who needed some few items urgently. So I passed by Kamkunji and got myself Ziploc bags. And these ones were around 350 Kenya shillings, if I'm not wrong. And there are 15 pieces. Each 2.5 kgs. Yes, so yeah, they are going for 350, 15 pieces. So I bought them, and this is what I'm going to use to package most of these vegetables. If you have not been following me, or in case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Of course, my name is Christine. I'm a mother of 3 and a wife. I do homemaking videos, cleaning, motherhood. I also do Kamkunji videos, Kamkunji hauls, and I also run errands for any person interested in Kamkunji and also Isili. So if you are interested in my services, kindly contact me. I always leave my number in the description, and I'll also put it on the screen right away. Yeah, you can contact me through that number, and I will do the services for you guys. So also be liking the videos, because that way you will help the channel grow, guys. And always leave a comment after watching the video, so that I know that you have supported me by watching. Yeah, guys. And kindly subscribe if you haven't, so that we get to 4K subscribers. You can also follow me on Instagram at Tyna_Loice, or on TikTok at Tyna Loice, guys, and I will appreciate.
I just keep crying when I hear your name. Kissing her just sparked a flame. I took you for granted, and you did the same. I wish I never said those things. Taking your love is mine to keep. 'Cause now you're my biggest regret, and it's not even a secret. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I'll sleep better at night. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better tonight. No, it's not right. I'll sleep better at night. Isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules then. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better tonight. I just keep crying when I hear your name. Kissing her just sparked a flame. I took you for granted, and you did the same. I wish I never said those things. Taking your love is mine to keep.
So we are done, and yeah, the only thing remaining is returning these, putting the vegetables in the fridge, guys. So let's do that right away.
No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I'll sleep better at night. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better tonight. No, it's not right. I'll sleep better at night. Isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules then. No, it's not.
So guys, we can start from here. So I washed all my garlics, and here they are. Yeah, they are very clean. So I want them to stay as fresh as yeah, for so long. That's why I've put them in the fridge in a Ziploc bag, because there are so many. I can't risk putting them outside. They will start yeah, I just want them as fresh as they are. Yeah, so here are my pepper. Yeah, my pepper is here. Yeah, there are so many, so I've also put them there so that they can remain fresh. And in this one, I've put my minji. Yeah, I've put my minji in this acrylic container, and here it's the melon that was left. Yeah, so that is that part there. Yeah, so on this part, these are leftover rice. Yeah, these are leftover rice. You can see there's still a lot of space here on top of these containers. So these containers, here I've put my ho-hos, green, yellow, and red ho-hos. Here we have mangoes and oranges, and here we have lemons and what are these, passion fruits here. And here we have our egg what? Yeah, our yeah, our garden egg. Yeah, so here we have our garden egg in a Ziploc bag. Yeah, so if we go down here, we have our maziwa mala, and then here we have our milk. Yeah, 40. And in this basket, I've put some okra in a Ziploc bag, and I've also put some biringanyas. Yeah, I've put some biringanyas there. Yeah, so in Ziploc bags, so they will stay fresh for so long. And here I have some minji. Yeah, I have minji in a Ziploc bag too. Yeah, so this is a tray for eggs. I haven't bought eggs, but I will be buying some tomorrow. Yeah, and here I have carrots in a Ziploc bag, and here I have some cassavas here that I've peeled and stored. Some of them I'll be cooking tomorrow for breakfast, and others will stay here for as long as 2 weeks, guys. Yeah, they will remain fresh there for like 2 weeks. So in this vegetable basket, my vegetable basket is so big. Yeah, so I've put 2 big cabbages. You can see in halves, 2 big cabbages. I've also put like 4 pieces of broccolis, and I've also added here some green peppers that were left. Yeah, and I've also put here some tomatoes. Yeah, so that is that big bucket. So that is how we organized this space, and I think it's okay. And some space is still left. This fridge is usually so big, and I can still put things up here. Yeah, and whenever we consume some things, I can always still add, because yeah, there is still some space even at the back of the fridge. There's always more space at the back of the fridge. You can see if I push this one there, there's still some more space. So yeah, so there is always extra space in this refrigerator here. So that is all we got. The fridge is full of healthy vegetables and no junky meals. So yeah, so that is what we got today. So at the door we just have some coconut creams, an orange that was left from yesterday, and here we have some soy sauce, some black vinegar, some barbecue sauce, and some yogurt that I want to use to make some yogurts for the kids. And then here we have a drink, and we have some sea moss, yeah, blended sea moss, yeah, and we have our baked beans. So yeah, fruits, leftover fruits that I didn't put in the fridge because they will be eaten tomorrow, and the avocados are here so that they can ripen. So we have some oranges here, and then we have some mangoes and those avocados on that basket. So the sink is clean. And then here in these jugs, I've put in my coriander because I don't have any kitchen paper towel, and neither do I have serviettes in the house. So I'll be getting serviettes, and maybe I'll get to store some of this in the tins together with the serviettes. Yeah, I'll get to store this in the tins, but for now they are in these jars because I've poured water in the jugs so that they can remain fresh. And let me just say, I will leave one jar so that I can see for how long it will remain fresh in this in those jars. Yeah, so these are the corianders. They will remain there. Yeah, and they look so good there. Yeah, they look so good there. Yeah, so that is how we organized those ones. My beans are there. I will cook them tomorrow, and my onions are here and some garlics, guys. Yeah, those garlics, I'll prepare them tomorrow, and maybe I'll blend them and keep them in the fridge. So if you have watched till this far, let me just say a big thank you. Thank you so much. If you are my subscriber, my fan, thank you so much. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining my family too. Yeah, let me see you in my next one, guys. And kindly do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Do not forget to like the video, comment, share if you can, and do not skip the ads, guys. Let me see you in my next one. I love you all, and happy new week, guys.